Today we're going deep. We're tapping on emotional pain, not just the surface stuff, the roots, the old sadness, the buried anger, the fear that never fully left, the shame and guilt that got handed down through generations of people who were just doing the best they could with what they had. Because here's what most people don't realize about emotional pain. The only reason we hold on to it is because some part of us believes it's protecting us. And when you understand that, you stop fighting yourself for feeling it. You stop being angry at yourself for not being over it yet. And you start something far more powerful. You start releasing it with compassion for yourself and for everyone who passed it down to you without even knowing they were doing it. And here's something even bigger to consider. Everything is energy. We are all connected, which means as you clear this pain in yourself today, you're not just doing this for you, you're contributing to something larger. Every person who does this work adds to the collective healing. And the world could use a lot more of that right now. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, just allow yourself to feel whatever emotional pain is present right now. Don't chase it, don't analyze it, just let it be there. Maybe it feels personal, something specific that happened, something you've been carrying for a long time. Maybe it feels bigger than that, like you're just sitting in the middle of a world that's carrying a lot of pain right now. Whatever is there, let it surface without judgment. Notice where you feel it in your body. Notice how heavy it is. And just for a moment, acknowledge it honestly. You've been carrying this, and today we start putting it down. So take a breath in and open your eyes. So we will start tapping. This is EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques, otherwise known as tapping. It's based on Eastern medicine like acupuncture. So basically, we're just going to tap on these points. Here are the points. I'll show them to you really quick. Side of the hand, we start here. Then we go to the eyebrow point, the inside of the eyebrow. Then we go to the outside of the eye. Okay, we go under the eye, under the nose, the chin point, the collarbone point, about 4 inches under the armpit, and then the top of the head, like the crown of the head. So when tapping, you can use 2 fingers or as many fingers as you want, okay? And you can tap on either side of the body because there's meridians on each side of the body, these energy pathways. And you can use one hand or you can use two hands. Now, I personally like to tap with two hands when I'm tapping myself. But for this video, I'm just going to use one hand. So now you understand tapping. You can research this. This has been proven to just like help people reduce stress and anxiety, and it helps you clear subconscious blocks. So let's start tapping. So just tap where I tap and just say what I say. So side of the hand, and taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Let's tap. So just tap where I tap and say what I say. Even though I feel this emotional pain, and part of me believes I'm supposed to feel it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been holding on to this pain because some part of me believes it's protecting me, I choose to love and honor myself and find a healthier way to take care of myself instead. Even though this pain goes deep, deeper than I can fully see, and was passed down by people who were doing the best they could, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself and all of them too. All this emotional pain, all of it, the part that feels personal and the part that feels bigger than me. All this pain I've been carrying. Part of me says I'm supposed to feel this. Part of me says I can't let it go. Not with everything that's happened. Not under these circumstances. I'm supposed to feel this pain. And I'm choosing to question that now. Because the only reason I hold onto pain is because part of me believes it's protecting me. And I'm choosing to find healthier ways to protect myself. Ways that actually feel good. I deserve to feel good. I'm not faulting myself for feeling this. I was programmed to feel it by people who were programmed to feel it before me. We were all doing the best we could. And I choose to feel better now. I release all the sadness and trauma and all the roots and the deepest cause of this pain. I release all the anger and resentment and all the roots and the deepest cause of this emotional pain. I release all of the fear and all the roots and the deepest cause of this pain. I release all the embarrassment and all the roots and the deepest cause. I release all the shame and guilt and all the roots and the deepest cause of this emotional pain. I release all the low self-worth and all the roots and the deepest cause of this pain. I release all the loneliness and all the roots and the deepest cause. I'm releasing this pain from myself and from the collective whole, because everything is energy and we are all connected. As I heal myself, I contribute to healing the world. That is not a small thing. That is everything. I choose to feel more joy. I choose to feel more love. The more love I feel, the more I have to give. And the world needs what I have to give. I'm clearing the need for emotional pain and setting myself free in body, mind, and spirit. Close your eyes and breathe in. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, scan your body and notice how it feels compared to when we started. Is there any more space, any more lightness? Even the smallest shift is real. That's layers of old pain beginning to release. Pain that was never really yours to carry forever. Pain that got handed to you by people who were handed it before you. And today you chose to put it down, not just for yourself, for everyone connected to you. Let that feel significant because it is. Let whatever healing happened here today ripple outward in ways you may never fully see, but that matter more than you know. Take a breath in and open your eyes. This is some of the most important work a human being can do, not just for themselves, but for everyone around them. Because pain that isn't healed gets passed forward into our relationships, into our communities, into the next generation. But pain that is healed, cleared at the root with compassion and intention, stops there with you. And what flows forward instead is something entirely different: more joy, more love, more peace. You just contributed to all of that today. And that matters more than words can say. So make sure to drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.